would put that little one in the bottom.
So slimy. Just taking my time. Get as much meat off as I can. First fillet. There we go. Nice fillet again. So for the poke, we have halibut, lemon, an onion, some green onions, and I'm going to be using soy sauce, sesame oil, some black pepper. Alright, time to cut the halibut. Cutting the halibut up into small cubes. Here's the halibut. I'm going to start assembling my poke. Soy sauce, squeeze the lemon. So the poke is done. Now I'm gonna cover it up and refrigerate it for about 20-30 minutes and then it's ready to eat. While I wait on the halibut, I'm gonna make some crab salad. I'm gonna start shredding the crab. Bit more mayo. Alright, that's good to go. I'm ready to assemble the poke bowl. Got my rice, the halibut, avocado, edamame, seaweed salad, pickled carrots and daikon, green onions, crab salad, and furikake seasoning. Let's start. Oh man, how am I gonna fit all this in this bowl? Let's go with the poke first. crab salad. Pickled carrots and radish. Furikake on top. Alright, here's my finished halibut poke bowl. And start eating this, so that wraps up my video. Thank you for watching.